Hey there. In today's JavaScript tutorial, we're tackling how to calculate the volume of a triangular prism. Now, these shapes are commonly found in architecture, structural design, and physics problems. We'll validate the base size, length, and the prism's height, and then plug them into a slightly more complex formula. Let's dive right into it. To compute the volume, we need four values: the three sides of the triangle that forms the base, and then the prism's height. The formula we're using is derived from Heron's formula and calculates the volume based purely on those side lengths and height. It is more flexible because it doesn't require a traditional base times height triangle. Now, let's see how the JavaScript implementation works. We've defined a volume triangular prism function that takes four inputs. Each is validated using is number to make sure that the values are positive real numbers. The core of the function uses a derived mathematical expression to calculate the triangular area underneath the hood. Then multiplies it by the prism's height. The use of math square roots ensures we correctly computing the area part of the hub of the base. Here's a breakdown of what happens. We first check the validity of all four values. Then we apply the geometric formula using the exponential and square roots operations. If everything checks out, the final result is the volume, and if not, errors are thrown to help us catch bad inputs early. Let's run through some examples. With proper numeric inputs, we get a volume of about 27.11. If one of the base sides is passed as a string, the program throws a type error. If the height is negative, we get an error indicating that all values must be positive. These validations keep the program reliable and user-friendly. Triangular prisms are everywhere in the real world, from trusses in bridges to roof structures and light-based simulations. Calculating their volume helps us optimize design and material use. Knowing how to do it programmatically adds a lot of power for technical problem solving. Today, we built a smart function that calculates the volume of a triangular prism using only side lengths and height. We've covered input validation, formula application, and error handling. It is a great example of blending geometry with clean JavaScript logic. Thanks for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.